Hey there, Matt here from roofer.com. I just want to show you how to order a report from your roofer dashboard. So what you're going to do is you're going to go into the menu on the left-hand side and click on measurements. And then you'll see at the top, you'll have two tabs, all measurements and report service. All measurements is where you can access the do-it-yourself measurement tool, and report service is where you can place an order. So you're going to click that tab and click order report. What you'll do is you'll put in the address. It'll come up on a drop-down menu. Click the correct one, and then you can put in the customer full name if you want, their email address, whatever contact information you would like there. Click submit, and what you'll see is the crosshairs that show up. Sometimes it'll put you out in the middle of the street. Just move that and confirm the roof location. Click confirm. You'll be prompted to put in your card number on your second order. Your first order is free, so you'll just sit back, relax, put in your card number, click confirm purchase, and you're all set. That's it. It's that easy. If you'd like, there's a button underneath this video, book a demo with me. I can show you that do-it-yourself measurement tool. It's great when you have something like this garage right here, just a two-sided roof, ranch style. If you have something that's all cut up, lots of valleys, lots of dormers, you just want to order it, use the report service. So there's several options here to help you save and make money. Click that button under the video, book a demo with you or with me, and we'll get you set up. Peace.